Okay, so hi guys. Today we'll be showing you how to fix your tuya camera device in sleep. If you're having the same problem is me, watch this video. Yeah. If it doesn't work, watch another method. Yeah. So let's get started right away. Yeah. Okay. Go to the Tuya app, then press your camera, press the three dots, scroll all the way to remove device, then press confirm. Okay, step 2, press add device. Then on your doorbell, press the doorbell button on your video doorbell camera. Then wait until your device pops up on here. So now press add and then press next if you already have your internet information connected to the camera. Now press next. Okay. Now wait till it's gonna connect. Okay, now press done. Yeah, for me it didn't work. For all of you new camera users, it may work. We have to wait. You have to wait. Now wait until your camera loads. It'll be stuck on the device in sleep for like a while. Then it'll say installation and encrypted channel. Yeah. Then press filter if it says that. Okay, there, your camera has been fixed. Your Tuya camera has been fixed. Alright, so that's for all. Bye.